Yo, yo, what up, what up, what up? What's up, gang? What's up, world? Awesome. We have red folder news in 30 minutes. Unemployment claims. Who's unemployed? Me, I'm gonna be in the claims. Sorry. Sorry if I'm, sorry if it's not good for you though. Yo, what up, Adam? Good to catch up with you today, brother. Big Adam in the chat. Adam joined the mentorship like 2 weeks ago. He's been following me since I started streaming. He was in one of the first, Adam was in one of the first ever challenge giveaways. He's still got the account. Over a year. He's had an account for over a year. That's like unheard of. But yeah, what's up, you guys? Good to be with you. All good. And here we go. What up, Joey? Joey Fizzle. What do you expect today on gold? I'll be brutally honest. I am not falling for it. I'm kind of bearish on gold, to be honest. I'm bearish on gold. What do you guys think about that concept? I mean, it's hard to say with two red folder news events coming up. High impact news coming up. We've got unemployment claims, and 2 hours later we've got PCE. Big Silsick, Big Harmless, what up, what up? Good to see ya. I mean, yeah, I'll be streaming once a week on the public stream. Will be once a week. So today is that 1 day a week, and here we go. All right. Nearly a nice breakout opportunity here earlier. But yeah, again, like we've got to be real. We can't do too much until this red folder. Once unemployment claims drop, I'm pretty keen to get into it. But taking a trade from now till unemployment is going to be a bit tough, or it's just gambly. Back at it again with the lives. Yes, sir. Here we go. Who's getting some blow some shit up? 1 day left on the combine full port. Yeah, why not? Yo, Pete, good to catch up with you today as well, my bro. Hell yeah, we know the game plan. What happened to twice a week? I mean, yeah, I just got to do what I think's right, and for me, it's just gonna do it. Keep it at once a week. Yep. And it's something I figured out about life. If you're trying to get to a certain level in a certain thing, it's good to go really, really hard for that period of time, and then you can take your foot off the gas. Like when I moved to Dubai, before I moved to Dubai, I quit alcohol, I quit all this shit. And now I'm in Dubai and I'm set up and I'm a bit easy again. Like I'm in a good place. You know, I'm okay to have a drink here and there. But to get to a certain level, you have to fucking really turn it up. And that has nothing to do with swaying your values or anything. That's just like being a human being and knowing how to play the game of life. Play the game of life. Do you stream inside the mentorship? Yes, I stream inside the mentorship every day. Yeah, we run every session in the mentorship basically. Got second payout of the month. Nice. Yeah, I'm requesting another max payout tomorrow. cook away on this personal account as well. What zesty drinks? This is my zesty coffee machine drink. Make sure you guys drop a thumbs up for the stream, back once a week or maybe maximum twice a week for the public stream. So make sure you drop a thumbs up and tell the algorithm, hey, we got some real mofos doing it. Type shit. Do you trade news? Yeah, but when I do it as a silly goose. I don't do it like being serious. I'll have a silly goose time sometimes, but that's about it. Yeah, I'll have a silly goose time here and there. What up, Lee? Nothing can be more zesty than those pics of Thai, yeah. Yeah. Or I'm up 500 on Asia, so should I probably chill? Yeah, or just move over to one of your other, if you've got another account, like a challenge account, like leave that account for the day kind of thing. I think leaving that account for the day is a good idea. Yeah. I'd love to trade here, but it's gambly with unemployment claims dropping. Yo, what up, Dave F? I mean, I'm starting to remember you guys' YouTube names as your real names now. Yeah, or you could do what Shem said, just choose a AAA Mega Plus. But you know the thing, bro, you guys know how trading works. We'll get like the most textbook type 2 where every single confluence is perfect and it will just completely dog shot you. I'm always sus on those like 2 perfect setups. I'm like, come on, what do you got up your sleeve, Mr. Market? That's when I start getting conspiratorial. Billion, ChatGPT. I'm stuck with my first challenge. Yeah, it's like being stuck with a ball, like a wife that you don't want to be with, right? You're just gonna have to, yeah, you're gonna have to go through the ups and downs and just, you know, get your marriage back on board. You're gonna have to get your marriage. All right. I'm going to size up on this one, yeah. And then it's the other trades where you're like, I don't know. And then after you're like, actually, that was a really nice setup. I should have gone heavy there. What's my real name? Cleopatra. Ty's pics. Yeah, I know. I can't believe you dropped those pics as well, Ty. Those very real photos. Hey, Yong, are you here in the chat? Silver, yeah. Hey, let's actually have a look at silver. Let's go. I mean, look. I didn't really break that main level there. Oh, Young, you are there. Hey, Young, do you mind sending me those 2 screenshots we went through today in our meeting? Do you care if I pull them up? Is news US dollar? Yes, news is for US dollar. If you want to know when the news drops, go to a website called forexfactory.com. Forexfactory.com. And you're going to find, if you scroll down, you'll find Trump talking about Iran, and then fucking where these red folders are, you'll see what time shit drops. So in 22 minutes, unemployment claims numbers are going to drop. What up, Ryan Gosling? I'm not Ryan Gosling. I'm Daniel. He's Ryan Holmes. Daniel, I don't have the dragon stop loss, take profit. Can you help me? Yeah, it's only with Top Step. You have to be trading a thing called Top Step. China. Shout out Sir Daniel from the Philippines. Yo. My Philippians. My Filipinian brothers. Yeah, Young, if you could send that in a DM or something, that'd be sick. But here we are, man, in Dubai, and we're trading. So make sure you drop a thumbs up for the stream, and we're going to look to take a trade here after unemployment claims drops. How have you guys gone on? Let me ask you something here with a poll. Yeah, I just dropped a poll there in the YouTube chat. What do you guys got for the week here? How's your week going so far? Out of curiosity. I'm green. I've nerfed I activated a fresh combo XFA last night and nerfed it before it even got out of, I nerfed it the whole thing on my first trade, which is always cool, but yeah, I snagged about 4.5K on the other one, which is good, so I'll get a max payout. But you know, sometimes you've got to get through the whales to get to the, you know, supermodels. I don't have time for this shit news. I mean, brother, yeah, the markets don't care about what you, like, you have to be patient, unfortunately. 9K on XFA, W. Big dubs. Hey, you guys, I've got to show you something. Actually, let me save these. Because, you know, one of my guys in the mentorship, Young over here, you know, we catch up quite often. And every day I'm like, you know, he'll record our one-on-one calls, and like every day we talk about, okay, what I did wrong last week? What should I do better this week? One of our last catch-ups, this was his dashboard. What are the things here? Look at the wins, 21, 25, 47. The losses, 200, 300, 200, 40. But we'd go through his technicals and he takes good trades. Don't say what the fuck, because we've all been there. But he takes good trades. I'm like, what's going wrong? Go through, do all the digging, figure it all out. And I say, motherfucker, this is what I need you to do for the next 2 weeks. You must do X, Y, Z, what we talked about. Now look at, we caught up today. This is his dashboard this month. It's the opposite. So the losses, okay, 100, 200. The wins, fucking 300, 100, 300, 300. Right? Big turnaround in like 2 weeks. And he's taking like, he'll take a good trade and walk away. Like, this is how progress looks. So Big Yong, he's got a big dong on the charts. Don't sleep on him. W progress. If anyone wants to actually work together one-on-one, go to danielholmestrades.com and submit an application. We have a look at it. For guys that want to, you know, take your trading more serious, go to danielholmestrades.com and we can lock you in. But yeah, big dubs in the chat. Oh, look at this. 69% of people are green for the week. 31% are red. Yeah. Yeah. All right. Well, this first 15 is closing here. 69. Come on, bro.
In the beginning.
Bro.
In the beginning.
Young was cooked. Now? Type shit. In the beginning, yeah, we got red folder. I mean, you know, there's a group of people here that are planning. I'll tell you one thing with unemployment claims, it doesn't typically move like CPI and shit. You won't get that like massive burst or anything. You'll typically get like, you know, volume kind of cook up, and then it will start to kind of move. Blew my 5th personal account. What should I do? Quit. Yeah, just call it a week, call it a year. Now, I would say move over to challenge to prop accounts. Yeah, because the amount that you're going to blow on personal is going to be dramatically different in terms of amounts that you're going to blow on prop. Yeah, go, bro, start hitting up top step. Start getting cooking on top step. Young with the big dong. Yes, sir. Yep. Bro, watch too much memes, bro. I literally do. Like, I'm way too old to be amused by the memes that pop up about things that I shouldn't be amused. Like, I keep seeing these Kai Cenat ones where he's like reading his journal and shit and like trying to make it all dramatic that he's starting this clothing brand. And it's just like, hey bro, you're already a millionaire, all good. Like, don't act like it's all G, you know what I mean? Wait, I can't get to sleep for the life of me. The sofa's got to be full. Bro, what? Bro, I appreciate your short videos. Nice. No worries, man. That's good to know. Wait, how have you spammed me on Insta, Silseek? And if you don't, I mean, if you want to trade but you don't want to put too much in, just flip $1 to $1 million. It's pretty easy. Pretty sure Alex G did or something. Like, he can't be that hard. Give your money to top step instead. Why not enter on the current candle? Because news is about to drop. I have 5x that pays. Who's keen to bone smash? Ah. Does this actually work? Should I actually do it? I have 5 XFAs. What do you think is the best way to manage it? Good question, bro. I would highly suggest you trade them individually. Don't link them, bro. Trust me. Oh, there's no spare sleep servers. Camel milk. Oh, this is almond milk. What's NQ doing? NQ's doing nothing. Just came up here now, consolidating. I think we're gonna. I have no idea. Let's see. Daniel Holmes exposed vid. The only thing I'm exposing is my. Oh, camel milk's actually a thing. Yeah, red folder coming in here in a couple, 10 minutes or so. So I'm planning to kind of let that settle a little bit and then look to start cooking a trade. So let red folder hit. It's going to be a bit unpredictable before then. Which pair? This is gold. Make sure you guys on YouTube drop a thumbs up for the stream as well. We've got 500 people here. If we could all press thumbs up, it will break records. All right. How do you be up 4K on a 50K count? Just take a fucking good trade with heavy size. Yeah, take a good trade with heavy size. You are handsome. Thank you, Mohammed. I'm not. It's just lighting and angles, but it's all good. I'll take it. What's your win rate? Man, if I stick to the strat and don't get loosey-goosey, it's pretty high. Yeah, if we can stick to the strat and not get loosey, it's pretty freaking high, man. And even if it's not, you're like, hey, in hindsight, like I probably shouldn't have taken that type shit. Yeah, strong news coming in. Unemployment claims. I wonder who's going to I wonder who's going to be a part of the unemployment claims data here. Yes, they did, Griff. Oh, no. Topstep didn't ask me to... Wait, why would Topstep ask me to reduce the amount of live trading I do? How does that even make sense? Get an email? Yeah, we're going to need you to stop live streaming. Oh, fuck. It's like getting an email from like, you know, I don't know, Apple. Entrepreneurial claims, yeah, what up, Pez? What up, bruh? Because people be green, bro? Nah, people don't be green. Good at theory, but when it comes to trading, that's like most people, bro. Yeah, it's just time. That's going to be the biggest thing, time and experience. With time comes experience, and with experience comes money. Money, honey. With great power comes great fucking...
In the beginning.
All right, man. Lock in, chat. Why you love so much China? Yeah, we'll listen to Trump's speech last night. Sleepy Joe Biden. He was the worst president we've ever had. The worst. News in 8 minutes? Yes, that's right. Yep. So we're going to wait for news to hit in 8 minutes, and then we're going to decide whether or not to bay or seal. I used to say that the Chinese virus. I don't say it anymore. No. I'm using a strategy now. Win rate up to 60%. Let's go. Let's go. We're all gonna make it, bruh. Here's the thing, it's either we all make it or you don't, so figure it out. Who's keen on the fights this weekend? Song Yadong versus Sean O'Malley. Song Yadong. I reckon O'Malley's gonna bust Yadong up. I mean, I don't want to see Yadong bust all over O'Malley. Yeah, I don't want to see that. Talk through where you put the lines. Yeah, the lines are just based on these levels here on the 15-minute time frame where these candle closures are, and above's clean traffic, meaning just one colored candle. I know if I were to get a break above this level, I can ride it up to here. And it's the same on the bottom end. This is the closest lowest point where we've got candle closes on the 15-minute. And if I get a close below here, I can ride it down to here. We've got clean trafficio. Clean trafo. China. Us. There's a burger. Paddy as well, yeah. I mean, I think Paddy's a heavy favorite in that fight. Love from North Korea, let's go. Full port the live account, yeah, and finish this challenge now. Bro, shall I full port the live account and just finish this challenge, get it over and done with? That's so good. Mm. Do you have a community? No. No. If we could all press thumbs up right now, I'd be appreciative and my family could eat tonight. If we don't press thumbs up on the video, then no one's eating. It's all good. It's just children. Told you. The concept's similar to Roger Banks. No! I invented it. No. I made this all up. I invented trading. Yeah, doesn't we go back to freaking bone smashing? Who's got a hammer? Too many weeks on NQ? Yeah, NQ is nothing. Plus we've got red folder coming in. I don't even need to look at silver. I know it's probably going to be similar. I'm blowing up, green candle up. Oh, you're predicting price is going to go up with red folder. Okay. Yeah, I don't fuck with Euro. I think Euro USD, like all these Forex pairs move whack, bro. Like if you're trying to catch breakouts and shit. You look like a Hollywood actor, bro. Nah, I mean, if the Hollywood actor is that dude out of, whoever remembers that movie where, where they like steal a plane or something? I'll never remember it. Who knows that actor with the real googly eyes? Yeah, I'll never remember. It's very niche. What do you think about Dominican markets? Dominican funding? Remy Malek, who's that? Let's have a look. Oh no, but this is hilarious. Owen Wilson. Oh, Wilson doesn't have googly eyes. Steve. Who's Steve? Let's have a look. Yes, this is a dude. Harmless. Yes. He looks so normal here, but what's the movie I was thinking about? Con Air. Con Air. I look like this dude out of Con Air. As a Hollywood actor. Yeah, what's good, my dude? It's chopped. Yeah, he's cooked. But yeah, that's who I look like. I'm joking. Con Air was old school banger. Yeah. Do you ever deposit money in Raja Bank? Oh, fuck. So where can I find one of Raja's bank? Oh shit, we've got 1.5 minutes here for red folder to hit. Okay. Shut up, coffee machine. 1.5k, bro. Ever since I've been, here's a major, if you don't want to drink coffees, don't get a coffee machine. I've been smashing them down. I guess I've been saving money, but you know, it's kind of like a trade-off. I've got red folder coming in 1 minute. Bay or seal. Right in the middle of this range here. Don't know if I'm comfortable trading within this range, but all good. What time is it? Fuck, that comment gets me. Can you look at MQ, please? Where would your resistance line be? I'll show you what my resistance line be on NQ. You're not going to get a breakout, a clean, pretty breakout on NQ though. It's too much high volume right now. I'll just be marking here and here. Actually, I don't know. NQ is not clean until up there, to be honest, based on this shit over here. All right, God, what do you got? 30 seconds. What's your risk on the challenge for capital? Just do whatever. Just go crazy. Worst trading mentor. Yes, sir. 7 seconds. Will reckons 10 minutes buy. 10 minis and a buy. All right, here we go. All the orders are coming in the market. Forex becomes stress and headache for senior traders. I mean, yeah, trading in general is, I don't know, anything. What up, Star? Now, what unemployment likes to do is kind of cook. Like, it doesn't do that initial impulse, but it typically will find a direction and we'll start to get some big moves, I reckon. It never does like that initial banger. But yeah, it does start to push. What are the numbers? Like it fucking matters. So less than what was expected. Oh yeah, you know, and that's gonna make this happen and whatever, who gives a shit? I mean, here's the thing about news. Everyone tries to act like they give a shit, but if they see they're set up based on structure, they're gonna take the trade regardless of what the news says. Day or swing? I day, yeah, I day. Yeah, 200,000. Yeah. Silver, yeah. I mean, I'll be honest. I've been pretty bearish today. I am bearish based on yesterday. But who knows? Why do the micro and normal GC feeds differ? I don't know, actually. That's a good question. Could there is one centralized exchange? I don't know. Star, I'm in Dubai, Habibi. All right, so I want to let this candle close and then I'm going to be looking to trade on the next 15-minute candle. Massive news. Ty's still locked out of the sleep servers. W. Your boy's locked. Would you consider moving to Israel? The question proposed was, would you be considering moving to Israel? And I just don't understand. I don't understand why you would say that. Bill. Yeah, I'm going to look to trade after this candle. Someone's got to do it. That's where the algo got coded? Brother. Are you talking about the trading algorithm? Okay, if that's where the algorithm got coded, who coded the algorithm in 1960? These motherfuckers had good algorithm coding skills in 1960. Guy. They had complex algorithms in 1960. Albert. Hey, imagine like around here, right? What's this? 1979, and you're like, wow, look at price, it's starting to move up crazy. You take a buy position, then you zoom out, and then someone says, brother, you have no idea what's coming, my G. Climb to the top. Anyway. Is this same as Raja Bank setup? Where is Raja's bank? I've never seen a bank called Raja. I'm seeing your patience. Bro, my patience is just, yeah, just going to have to wait for this candle to close and I'm going to look to trade. Jesus coded it. Nothing on NQ, GC, Sylvia. Let's see Sylvia. Ooh. Hey, when did it click for you? Never. All the shit that you guys hear on social media and stuff, it's all just not even a thing. I would say that you're in a consistent state of clicking. Wow, that sounded so dumb. Yeah. Because at the end of the day, I still have to wake up tomorrow and exercise the same discipline. I don't want to be disciplined, but it's the only way I can make money in trading. And that doesn't mean be a little bitch about trading. It means knowing when to go heavy and put the risk on. When you make money in trading, you're actually putting risk on the line, like a lot. Like you're going, okay, I'm probably going to lose a bunch of money here, but I'm also willing to make a bunch and you got to every day put the risk on. So it's no like, oh, it's clicked, I'm just going to do the thing that makes money come out of air. It's like, nah, it's an everyday practice. It's fully an everyday practice. I used to hear like, what was your aha moment? When did it all click? And the dudes would be like, dude, one day my mum looked at me and she had tears down her eyes because I had lost the inheritance. And I said, from today onwards, I'm going to be a trillionaire. And it's just not how it works. Yeah. Patience with the gay demon, yes. It's like a battlefield every day. Yeah, it is. It is. And it's not fun to say that because it sounds harsh, but it fucking is, man. This shit's a hard industry to be in. But you can make a tremendous amount of money, mummy. How is your walk with Jesus? My walk with Jesus is really good at the moment. My walk with Jesus is really good at the moment. Stronger than ever. Bro, are you doing any mentorship at all? And yes, where can I find the details? Just my mentorship details are everywhere. Over all my social medias. It's basically tattooed on my forehead. Show us your strat. I'll show you mine if you show me yours. You study the Bible daily? Yeah. I mean, there's days where I miss it, but if I don't study the Bible daily, which I basically do, I'm always watching YouTube videos. I watch like every Bible religious YouTube video in the world. Jesus. All right, man. We're stuck in the middle here. Not much happening with this news drop. I expected more, but let's see. We've got 6 minutes of this candle. How do you find time to teach multiple people? Because it's my life. This is my whole life. I wake up, go to the gym, come back, do some shit, stream London, then have one-on-ones, and stream New York, more one-on-ones, make some trading-related content. Maybe sometimes I'll kiss some Latina chick on the lips, and then, all this other shit. But yeah, it's basically my whole life. Any advice? Just past five evals. Yeah, someone else said that. I said, don't trade them all linked. Trade them one at a time. Look, Alexis, the Shem's back in. Yeah, I posted some religious thing today and some guy commented on it. He DM'd me, he said, yeah, it's funny how humans find meaning in nothing to feel safety in life because we don't understand what life is. And I said, yeah, I used to think that as well. That's what I used to think of religion. I thought this is just something that makes people feel better about themselves, and people that have done wrong and they feel like this is going to make them feel better. Until I said, well, I can't judge it if I've never actually looked into the content. And the evidence suggests that Jesus was reliable. Do you have a long-term stock portfolio? Fuck no. Fuck no. I'm not trying to think about a trade that's on 24/7. I think that's a really stressful way to live life, especially if you've got a lot of size on. Oh, you haven't received anything, Kev? Let me follow that up after this. Best advice for beginners and intermediate traders? It's too much of a broad question. You need to be more specific, my G. Yeah, this is what makes people feel better. I'll just stick to being miserable. I like what Cliff says when people say that. He says, okay, if this is what I'm following just to feel better, or something that I'm believing in that's imaginary, what are you living for? And they're like, I'm living for me. I'm like, okay, so you dictate what's right or wrong because your life is about what makes you feel better. And then you go, well, then you have to start questioning morality. Where does morality come from? And then that's a deep dive. A lot of people say, well, I dictate what morality is. My moral compass is based on how I feel. And then someone else could say, well, and then Cliff would be like, well, then if you're basing what's morally right or wrong based on how you feel, what if I feel like slapping this person in the face is the right thing to do? Who's to say that's not right or wrong? And then you got to ask, well, it's almost like you can go into a deep dive about morality. And that was one of the biggest things that pushed me towards religion, was like, what the fuck, actually, where does morality come from? Because I have a guilty conscience when I do something, and everyone seems to have the same guilty conscience when they do a particular set of things. And you can just go deep from there. Anyway. Yeah, it can just exist from a big bang. And it's funny, the Bible starts like that, and then there was light. And then scientists go, well, there was a big bang. It's like, oh, it's coinciding quite nicely with something that was written 2,000 years ago. What up, living life through a lens? If we get a break below here, I'm interested. High risk, high reward, yes. Hi from the Philippines. What up, Erwin? Jesus, this is Kirch Group or a trading live stream? I came here to listen to exactly what I want to hear. Hey! Type shit. I'll do whatever I want. If anything, that makes me want to just spend the next hour specifically only talking about Jesus. Jesus. Oh my days. Bro, you can see accounts at the front of Raj's banks. How do you approach trades while price is trending on the 15? I mean, if price is trending, that's great. That's great. Then we'll look to buy with the trend. Dave, you're probably looking at Forex. This is futures. Yeah, Forex is different exchange. Similar but different. Yeah, look at that. Forex is green. Futures is red. What chat is this? This is the one that your mother likes to come to. All right, man, we've got a minute for this closure. Broke the 4-hour low there. Big wick then. Fuck me, 60 pip wick. Snippety snip snip. Buy now. Oh, Sylvia, lucky that's you. Did he took trade? I just got a DM of some random name. Win or lose, bro. I am having fun in capitals. I don't know why that popped up as a notification. I think it's respecting the 1 hour FVG. Brother. If this closed like this, I might be interested in a sell still. It's pretty risky, but I'm a risky kind of dude. Make sure you guys on the YouTube stream drop a thumbs up for the chat. Drop a thumbs up for the chat. I mean, that's quite a fucking nice break low there. Pretty extendoed. Could we get a bit of a continuation with news volume? Very risky. If we get out of this 1 minute candle, out of this 1 minute, I'm going to start looking at potentially buying, selling. Yeah, we don't know anything, Dean. Yeah, we don't know shit. Wow, look at the spread opening up like this. Yeah, we don't know shit. Someone said do something. Bro, I'm not like a bear. I'm not like a thing that you poke. Like, do something. Very, very hectic stuff here. I nearly put a sell order in Descend. I'm not nervous. I'm just trying to do the calculations in my head if this makes sense. It's like I wanted to have an entry there and kind of do a bit of a wick fill, but it kind of just quickly did that. If this can fail, if this fails here, because the 30 is still open, I don't know, man. This is fucking shit. Remember, guys, buy low, sell high. But wait, buy high, sell low. Gonna wait for the 30 close. Yeah, that's what I was just gonna say. Like, if we can be patient and wait for the 30 closure, because what could happen, there's two things that could happen. This could kind of wick up, look like it's gonna start pushing back in the range, fail, and I come back down below, and we could get this hold below, and that'll be the 30-minute candle would look like this. Then that's a way higher probability breakout scenario. Right now, the way it's like wicked up and down, it's kind of created range on both ends. I would be very sad to be in this trade right now. I'll be very scared. And these ranges are quite big as well. So don't be a coward. Yeah, but then if I'm not a coward, then I'll be broke like you. I'm consistent with my trading. So it's about sticking to a system. You think this is about like courage. It's about sticking to a system. And if what your system is allowing you to do isn't really showing up, then you have to be patient. Don't be a coward, this guy. Yeah, you're going to get conflicting stuff a lot of the time. NQ is kind of approaching that level that I said break above. Stock exchange coming in soon. Fucking what a bullish day for NAS. Yeah, I like what gold's doing here. If gold can like, I'd obviously prefer it to start to head back towards up in the range and then come back down. Regardless, if this 15 can hold below this range, it's going to be a good sell opportunity. But even if it, let's say it does go back up into the range and kind of close a bit stronger than that. But if it were to close something like that, now on the 30, it's going to look a bit whack initially. On the 30, that's going to mean it looks like this with a big gay wick. But if the next one can wick down, the next opening candle, which would be here, and fill some of that wick, I would have a buy stop sitting there, anticipating it to push up now that wick's filled, and start to push up and bounce off this level as a failed attempt below. But I don't know, man. I'm pretty bearish still. I am bearish. I've been saying it all stream. That's discipline. Yeah, you just got to be so. Yeah, wait for the correct trade. How do you learn, bro? I need help. Just Google it. And ChatGPT. Hey, you guys, we've got a free Discord community here. Invite friends. Oh, wrong person. Sorry, Dave. I just sent you a thing. Let's invite friends to a Discord community. Here it is. Here is our free Discord community. If anyone likes us over here, you can come join out, hang out. Yeah, we've got a community of traders. We've got Danny Trades over here. He's a beast on the mic. How many trades do you take a day? I mean, a couple. It depends. Either 0 or 3 or sometimes more. Very rarely more. Like, how many setups are you going to freaking see? What up, aka Pissy? Change the name, but all good. What's up? What's up? Bro sells a mentorship and says, just Google it. No! Don't Google it. Buy my mentorship, please, please. What was I about to do? Yeah, let's look at the 30 here. Yeah. It's been long since I met you online, Danny. I've been following you since 2020. Yo! I only started trading social media a year and a half ago, but let's go. Discord link? No, the Discord link I posted in the YouTube chat and stuff. I can't post it on TikTok. TikTok doesn't allow you to post shits. I jumped in and booked loss? Yeah. Yeah, you gotta, that's why I like to wait for confirmation. Look at this 30 now massively rejecting. The 1 hour's flipping green. Doji right now. This is ugly stuff. There's no denying this is ugly. But if this were to, this could still fail here. We'll see. That's a vibe. Fake out central. I mean, it faked out again like today as well. Well, I don't know if you would say fake out, but it just like massively dropped and then just said, no, it's all good. Mashallah. No, I don't wait. I don't always wait for the 30-minute close. It's just in this case, because it's not the most ideal scenario, we have to use, I have to use it for extra confirmation. And that's what I could do. You can't just wait for a 15-minute closure and be like, okay, I'm in. It's like, okay, the 15 minutes giving me the main signal that I need. It's engulfed a range and closed. Then you got to flick through the higher time frames and go, okay, let me build a bit of a story here. Does this make sense in the higher time frames? Like the idea is like read the market, not just like look for a pattern. But in the early days, you look for patterns because you don't know how to read the market yet. Like it takes time to be able to read the market as a price action trader. Doesn't mean like you're going to be like a 10 out of 10 winner. Like it just helps. Helps you avoid shit trades more than anything. Hey, you guys on YouTube, make sure you drop a thumbs up for the stream. I stream here once a week, public stream once a week. The rest are in the private community. And I would say if you drop a thumbs up, that will help bring heaps of supermodels into the chat right now. Each thumbs up spawns a new supermodel. So you might be able to rizz up some chicks in the chat. Give it a crack. Mind to share your D chord by any chance? My D chord? Someone asked me to share my D chord. Oh, Discord. Yeah, scroll up. It's literally just above you. My 2 stop loss hit, brother. Hey, Supermodel here, I just joined. Nice, let's go. We're looking for a continuation or we'll just get spiked up. I'm going to look to see how this candle closes because this is also going to be a 30-minute, 1 hour and a 15 and not a 4 hour. Is it 4 hour and Forex? Oh, it's also a 4 hour and Forex. Bro, check it out like this, my guys. Like, think about it like this. If it does close back below that range, which is about there, look how the 4 hour is going to look. Alhamdulillah. I mean, it's still not that nice, but anyway. Which instruments are you trading? The drums. Bad joke, sorry. This is gold. Am I crazy in a buy already? I mean, it depends what your system told you. If it did pass this week, would you enter after it? I don't know what you mean exactly, but essentially I'm looking for this to close back down here. And I don't even, if it closes green, I don't mind either. As long as if this 15 can close below here, I'm looking for sells. If it stays up in the range, then I'll have to reconsider what's good. My chart broke at the low. Yeah, it's gonna happen. Yeah, legit, Shem. Where did you learn Arabic? I don't know it. I just know a couple words. What's your bias? Yeah, I just kind of spat bars about that just then. You want to learn Arabic? I want to learn just nothing. When you get in a car, bro, legit, I've still got a rental. I literally still have a rental. Pez is literally saying all this crazy shit in the chat in different languages. There's no CPI. Thank you, green, black, olive. Those are for NFP. Yeah, these are my NFPs because I'm getting impatient. Yeah, this is straight up Aussie stuff. Bro, get a Lambo? I mean, I'd like to, but I want to wait longer because I have some things launching and I want it to be like a treat, trickle treat. And at the end of the day, yes, I'm driving a 2020 Kia with like 100,000 kilometers on the clock and a bunch of dings all over it. But I don't like, I'm not trying to impress anyone. I'm just trying to work and start businesses and, you know, occasionally, you know, make love to a Latina and stuff. So there's no point of me getting a really cool car right now when I don't do anything other than that. You're learning something here? Okay, nice. Okay. We've got 2 minutes here. Let's see how this candle closes. Yeah, legit, Dean. Charlie, it's because you're on Forex and this is futures. 2 different exchanges. Yeah, exactly. The models won't see the car because they're all on the stream. Exactly. There's Latinas in Dubai? Yeah, there's Latinas in Dubai. Yep. Uh-oh. How does it can? Bro sold 7 AED. Does a candle with no bottom wick... Hi, what does a candle with no bottom wick or top wick mean? I mean, it's all in context. If it's at a heavy level of like breakout, if you're anticipating a level to break out and then you get that breakout candle do such with no top wick, then it just means range hasn't been created up here yet. And then you got to ask yourself, well, then how do I approach that? And I'd say go back and watch. I'm posting a video tomorrow about how to approach that. But if you go on my social medias, you'll see I've made multiple videos about it. Yeah, I've made multiple bangers about it. But I'll do the hard work for you. I'll do the hard work. Bitch bay. One sec, let's lock in here for 1 sec. Trading, this is something I call the double tap rule, which will help you take more successful breakout trades. So we have a level of resistance here where price is respecting. Fuck yes. Yes, I fucked it all up. In trading, this is something I call the double tap rule, which will help you take more successful breakout trades. So we have a level of resistance here where price is respecting. And all I need is one candle to close above that range for me to take a breakout buy position. But what happens a lot of the time is that candle that closes outside of the range does so with little to no top wick, meaning no range has been created here yet, and it has a tendency to just reject and close back into the range. So what I like to do in these situations, if I still would like to take a buy position here, is employ the double tap rule, meaning my next step is I wait for that candle to wick down and retest this range. And once it flips back up and it starts to push, I don't take a buy position yet. I let it push up, maybe it'll go up to here, reject, push back down, create that top wick now as it pushes back down. And then when it flips back up again and breaks its own top wick for the second time, double tap, then I enter. That's when I enter. So in short, I let it create some range first and then I jump in full fucking margin. Okay, let's see what's going on here. This guy in the video trades like... Wow, what a closure. Look at that hour closure, you guys. Ugly business. How did the 4 hour close on Forex? I don't know. I'm bad with knowing prop firms. I just stick to top step these days, to be honest. Your rule is completely why you don't trade. Yeah, but the difference is I make tens of thousands of dollars trading and you don't. So, Yep, so we're still in this range heavily. We're still in this range. We've got more red folder in an hour, but I really want to get out of this range and take a trade before then. Yeah, I don't know about, I don't take fake outs these days. Yeah, I'm not that interested in fake outs anymore. My few, to flip accounts, I don't know about, I don't flip accounts. Like, I don't know about any of that. All I do is trade top step. There's other ones, but nothing seems to ever compare to top step. Wait, what do you mean, Kento? Lovely sharing the sauce. Pleasure is mine, my G. I got sauce for days. Oh, you got a hot dog? I'll sauce that bitch up. That sounded so gay. Yeah, make sure you guys drop a thumbs up for the zest. Yeah, I got my personal account. I'll be looking to take a trade on. This is my 5K to 100,000K challenge account. Currently, I'm up to 26,800. Started at 5K, all good. And we'll see what's happening. No, I didn't flip the personal account. The personal account I've gradually grown since November. Two months, going live, next payout. Yeah, nice. I mean, going live has no benefit other than like you can flex on, you know, you can flex on your day ones, but that's about it. Other than that, in terms of your money making abilities, it doesn't benefit you at all, in my opinion. I'd rather just nerf a bunch of XFAs. Where is Nikki? Yeah, I was thinking that as well. No, I don't think about London lows and all that kind of shit. Right now, the way I read the market is we're just kind of in this range. Yeah. What I would like to see is if something similar to what happens here maybe potentially sets up, where we get like some sort of candle like this, could potentially impulse sell. It's not the best. I'm trying to find something. The hour candle doesn't give me much confidence, to be honest. It's a very ugly closure. We do have a nice 30-minute wick. Are you going to trade on Top Step? Oh yeah, I should be on Top Step TV very soon. On that 5K account, I mean, at the moment, I'll risk maybe close to $1,000 per trade. Like that's pretty aggressive when you think about it. Is this Ninja Trader? No, this is Top Step Trader. NQ's kind of faking out here. What do you guys? Anyone got anything in the Discord they want to throw in? Anyone's got any trades they're looking at or they're taking? Looks like someone sold here and bought here. Nice, good shit. Looks like they sold and bought a lot here. Yeah, I've used them all. I've used every firm. I've used every firm. If this candle doesn't give me anything nice, I might have to pack up. I came here today, I'm like, you know what, I'm going to stream for longer today, but I just can't do it, man. I can't do it. No, 30-minute structure. Does silver look any better? Bro, what is this fucking... Do you know Somalia? No. Here, Trump last night. Can you believe the Somalians with the daycares? And they're like, you know what? I didn't think they had that such high IQ to pull that one off. What a wild cat. He goes, I didn't think Somalians had that high of enough IQ to pull that one off. What a wild cat. What up, Pablo? We've got 6 minutes for this candle. We'll see what happens. Yeah, I'll probably stream next Thursday publicly. Yeah. Yeah, the daily live streams are in the private community now. What did I do wrong? Check Discord. Okay, let's check Discord and check what did wrong. Yeah, so check this out. I'll tell you what you did wrong. Why did you mark this level? This wasn't the breakout level. Right? That wasn't the breakout level. Check this out, my G. It actually didn't hit that breakout level, which was just there. It tapped it, but it didn't break above. Now let's look to the left and find out why. See, this is the highest breakout level here. That's where I marked it, because through here, it's not enough range. If it breaks above this level, look, you just run into rejections, and this is like tiny bit of range. This isn't much range here, bro. But above here, super clean traffic all above. So I think just in short term, straight away, that's what went wrong there. That's what went wrong there. What's the key to trade in Asia session? Feels uncomfortable? Really? Asia's mad. Asia's got dope volume. Do the Trump voice. China. Yeah, Trump was saying the wildest shit. Who would have known? Happy Aussie Day? Is it really Australia Day today? Happy Invasion Day. Come please, beautiful country. Somalia. Wait, is it Somalia or Somalia? What am I thinking? Yeah. Is Somalia beautiful? Come to Somalia. Oh, some sort of bomb happened, I think. Damn, Somalia has like beaches like this. This is what like Dubai beaches look like if it wasn't all like luxury built up around it. Damn. Yeah, fair enough. It doesn't look that appetizing. Could be nice, I don't know. Yeah, daily in the private community, that's right. Yeah. Post in the Dissy, let's have a look. Where'd you post it? Yeah, I don't know where you posted it. Price is just stuck here for the last, this 15-minute candle has barely moved. Link to join, thanks. Well, it's not, it's private, like it's a paid community. Yeah, you gotta be careful. There's a lot of fakes, like fake accounts, people trying to add you. I mean, the good news is we've got high volume coming in with the stock exchange. We do have red folder coming up as well. I kind of want to take an impulse sell here, but I mean, price is just kind of stuck here. What's going on? I don't really have enough confirmation just yet if this closes green. We've got 1.5 minutes here. We'll see what happens. Can you send the Discord link? Yeah, I'll send the free Dissy link. This is for the free Dissy community. Do you give signals? What do you give me if I do? Yeah, barely not moving, yeah, legit. If this can give me a bit more strength in the red, I might be interested in an impulse sell below. If I can get something like this. I mean, I got 40 seconds to get that. Better than UAE? Yeah, I mean, UAE beaches aren't that hard to beat, that's for sure. That's hard coming from Australia. Australia has some of the best beaches in the Jupiter. Yeah, through Mentorship group. Yeah, we don't let, it's not like a signal. Like if I just said, yeah, man, here's a cheap entry fee to get into the private live streams, then we just get a bunch of, you know, yeah, we want like serious, like people, not serious guys, but like people that are really want to make something out of this. You're already rich. What do you need our money for? I want more. I want yours, specifically yours. Like that's the dumbest thing a human being could ever say. You're already rich. What do you need our money for? What? Think about what you said. Basically what you're saying, you've got money right now, not in the future, but right now you've got money. So spend all of your time and energy and knowledge on me for free. Like, that's why you're broke, bro. You got to change your mindset. And if you're hating on me for having a skill set and then package it in a way that others want to pay money to learn, then maybe you need to do the same. Like acquire a skill to such a degree that people want to pay for your knowledge. That's how business works. That's how entrepreneurship works. I wasn't always this dude. I was a broke dude my whole life, 33 years of brokenness. 33 years of brokenness. The most pain I've ever felt in my life, throughout my life, was from a lack of money. I still feel broke. Why do you think I haven't paid for anything ever other than fucking a Rolex and $2,500 Cartier glasses? 35. Yo, Traderholics, haven't seen you in a hot minute. What up, brother? I study in day and night in the markets, but still confused. Yeah, that might be a mental deficiency or something, because it's not that hard. Like, it's not that fucking hard, bro. Like execution in real time is hard, but like studying and understanding the basics is pretty simple. How many glasses you got? Yeah, just keep randomly pulling out glasses there. I mean, guys, honestly, the next step is, if this can close, I'd need a closure, which is going to be a big ask. Then I'll look to sell, but right now there's not a ton. There's not a ton on the plate. This is my last candle. If this last candle can't present something, then I'm going to have to call it a day. Love from India. What up, what up, what up? Nice, Marco. Let's get it. Yeah, exactly, Dean. I agree. I mean, I think people that kind of join the mentorship are like, you know, they already know what I'm like. They know what the community is like. Like, yeah, we like to get loosey-goosey and have a silly goose time, but at the same time, we like to make money. So it's good because you don't get like you said, like, it's not like a mentorship full of very serious business people. It's like, no. We got a mixed bag of mofos. But everyone's cool as. Yeah, so okay, my last shot here on gold would be if I can get a closure below, if I can get a closure similar to this, I'll be looking to sell. I mean, I'm kind of really stuck on this sell idea, to be honest. I want to kind of get an opportunity to sell. It could definitely go up. I have no idea what's going to happen. My mind's just a bit stuck on sells, which is a bad mindset probably, to be obsessed with something, because you get like a bit predicting, like, why would you call it a day if you were? Because I just can't be bothered sitting in front of a screen. That's the only reason why. Hey bro, the tool I'm using to draw on the screen is just Zoom. If you go open up Zoom, it has like a drawing tool. So I actually have Zoom open in the back end. How many people in the mentorship? I don't understand when people ask that. Like, why? What does it matter? Love you from Pakistan. Love you too. PH, Philippines? No, I haven't. I've never thought about that. I'll tell you where I have thought about visiting lately though. What's that? It's like a specific area, but I don't know, but bro, don't you think Switzerland is literally a movie? Like, how is the scenery, how is this real kind of thing? And it's just everywhere? Like, this view is just everywhere? Could you imagine smoking a J-Lo the rapper, right there, just chill and be like, oh, okay. And you gotta tell me God isn't real. All good. Crazy, bro. I just want to walk to the top of a mountain type thing. But I don't want to go by myself. I want to go with a girl, kind of like all romantic and gay. So how to increase a small account size in the beginning?
In the beginning.
Brother, I don't know. I honestly don't know. I don't know. I just don't fucking know. Just trade it. That's all you got to do. That's what you got to do. What to do? That's what you got to do. Oh. Nice NVRB. Yeah, I agree with that, Maximus. I don't think you can justify God based on beauty. Yeah, I agree with that. But at the same time, something's whatever. Mental fatigue is showing legit. China! We had the most African American. Sleepy Joe Biden. He was the worst president. He was really, really bad. He really, really was. Man, well, I mean, I don't, okay, we've got stock exchange coming in, so we're going to get volume, but right now, like, gold's just completely shit the bed. Make sure you guys on YouTube drop a thumbs up for the stream. Please, please, I'll do anything. If you just press thumbs up, I'll literally do anything. That thumbs up on the video is going to change my life. Australia is the top cricket team in the world. I used to watch Shane Warne. Yeah, Shane Warne, yeah. Wait, Shane Warne's... Oh, yeah, Shane Warne is dead. Yeah, fuck. Warney. Yeah, patience. I don't know, bro. Somalia is the nicest country. They got the highest IQs. Can you believe what they were doing? Can you believe it? Who would have thought, right? W 1 hour candles. 15's doing this. Let's make some money. Yeah, I'm with you. I'll be honest. If I show up for a stream, the liquidity providers all call each other and they just say, just stop movement. Don't let the market do anything cool. We had the most African Americans. Come to Somalia and marry your sister? You know, that's a good question. What do Somalian women look like? I think I kind of can picture it. Damn. 5 minutes till the stock exchange open. In the middle of this range, not a ton happening just yet. Arab women are beautiful. I mean, Arab women have really, really pretty faces. Some of them do. Like, because a lot of Arabic women here in Dubai, and their face card is crazy because they wear the shit over their whole body, and there's just their face rep. They just rep a really good face. So they're like mastered having really good faces or something. Yeah, they go wild with the face. Yeah, risking. That's actually true. It's got to be careful Googling shit. Okay, so for 30 minutes, gold has barely nudged, which is sick. NQ's kind of just... We've got stock exchange coming in for NQ, GCs. Bay of Seal. Can you now take a trade? You talk too much nowadays. Hey bro, nobody knows who you are or anything like that, so it's all good. I'm chilling. I make money and keep money. You blow money by impulse trading and trading because, I guess, entertainment. My dad told me I need to make my Apex challenge today and have to go all in, or I need to pay $100. Which move? Just flip a coin, brother, if you're gonna do it like that. Yeah, I'll just get coin flipping. $5K to $100K. Yeah, we're up to 26. Yep. Price moving up. Stock exchange in 3 minutes. We'll see if we get a bit of volume here. We'll see if we get a bit of volume. China. No, I don't take breakouts or anything on other pairs other than NQ, silver, and gold. Two minutes. I know, I'm so keen, Dean. So keen. I want to get Paramount Plus, but I don't know if you can get it in Dubai. NQ30 looking juicy. It's looking juicy, but you got stock exchange, so it's like basically a gamble. Yo, Green Dog 3000. Thank you, brother. Big Green Dog. VPN? Nah, I tried. Yeah, I guess I could. I tried on the Xbox and the TV, but yeah, no, you're right. I actually should try that on the computer. But I want to like sit back on the couch and watch it on the TV. That's the issue. But yeah, I'll figure something out. Thank you, brother. I appreciate you. All right, we've got 20 seconds here for the stock exchange open. Gold's really not presenting too much just yet. Let's watch if NQ pops one way or the other. 10 seconds. Wait, you're asking because you game, do you have a chance in trading? Is that what you're asking? What are the chances NQ is going to fake above and then sell below? Oh, connect the laptop to the TV. Interesting. Is that a thing I can fully do? All right, man. GC, what do you got, bro? Come on, man. Please. 30-minute close, no top wick. Look at the hour time frame on GC. Tough. Yeah, see what you're saying there, Spanner? Where it's like, I'm a gamer, I'm smart, I feel like I have good discipline, all these things that make you feel like you're going to be better than other people, like you've got an upper hand if you really try and take trading on. Everyone thinks that. I used to think that. Everyone used to think that. But the market have a really good way of humbling you. Yeah, unfortunately, no previous life experience is going to be like beneficial. It's like going to be more beneficial to be a retard kind of thing. Yeah, it's kind of counter to what you probably think. When I first got into trading, I was like, 2 years to be profitable? No, I'm going to do it in like a couple months. I know I'm a hard worker, I'm disciplined, I'm special and all this shit. And I was like, oh, fuck. I guess, yeah, I see. It's not that easy. Yeah, trading's a different animal. It's different in a weird way. It's kind of better to be dumb. Price moving up here. NQ moving down. Fuck me. What a push on gold. Yeah, this is why it's like, who knows, man. Here's a volume. Yeah, I got one more candle in me. I'll see. Crazy. Some 300 pips are just green. Oh, really, John? John? Yeah, mega extendo. Sylvia did silver. Yeah, I don't know what you're looking at. Looks so, yeah, I don't know. Looks nice in the 1 hour. Yeah, legit. I mean, except gold. The gold 1 hour is so ugly. Yeah, I'm probably going to call it. This is just boring. It's going to take a while for me to get it set up now. either come back and retest this level or fail and break back in. But it's, yeah, it could just keep pushing here. Just 4 green 15-minute candles. Not much here for me. Yeah, not much here for me. Yeah. Yeah, I'm going to have a sticky beak a bit later and stuff like that. But other than that, there's no point waiting around. Yeah, no point waiting around. I'm just going to keep an eye on it later on. Come back, have a look every now and then. Awesome, you guys. Appreciate you jumping on anyway. I'll catch up with you next week for the stream. Anybody that wants to work one-on-one a bit closer, the daily private live streams, jump on the danielholmestrades.com and you'll see a link to that. But thanks a lot, gang. Appreciate you. And I'll catch up with you a bit later. Love ya.